You must have watched these shorts, as they are now spreading like wildfire on all social media platforms. You can see these channels are getting crazy numbers of views by uploading a couple of videos. Like this channel got more than 20,000 subscribers by uploading only 6 videos. Let's directly get into how to make these videos. We need a script, voiceover, images, and videos to make these types of shorts. For the script, first find a viral short to get inspired by. For a nice script, we would choose a video as an inspiration. I'm choosing this one. We need the transcript of this video. For that, just copy the video link from here. Then go to this Janellify website and paste the video URL in this box. Click here and confirm that you are not an Ultron, then click on Extract. Then you'll see the texts with timestamps. Below it, you can see the whole transcript in one place. Now we will ask ChatGPT to make a similar script like this transcript of the inspired YouTube short. We'll use this prompt to ask ChatGPT what we exactly want. You'll get all these prompts and everything's links in the description box below. Copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Below you can see a part that says Paste YouTube Transcript here. Copy the transcript and paste it here. Now, ChatGPT will ask you which topic or incident you want to make the script on. The script was about how many glasses of milk does it take to end you? Copy the title and change the drink to alcohol, then hit enter. After getting the script about alcohol, it's time to make the voiceover from this script. Go to 11 Labs and choose a voice. Make sure to increase the voice speed because people swipe up on shorts videos that are slow. Keep it at 1.17, then copy and paste the script here. Hit Generate Speech. You can use this button or this one to download the voiceover. Now we have to create images. For that, first we have to generate prompts. To do so, copy this prompt from this document and paste it into ChatGPT. Below this prompt, you can see a part that says Paste your script here. Copy the whole script and paste it here. Then ChatGPT will analyze the whole script and provide prompts for each scene. Now all the prompts are ready. We have many tools to generate images, but we'll use Google Whisk, and you'll see why this one. After getting into Whisk, click on Enter Tool. After that, you'll see this interface. Click this right arrow to see all the settings in a bigger size. The first option is Subject. In this box, we have to upload the full body view of the character in detail. We don't need to touch this Scene option, and the Style option is if we want anime style, Pixar art style, or realistic style, etc. Hover over this section, and from the Upload option, upload the subject's full body view. You'll get them all in the description box. From this Style section, upload the style image. Now, all our references are done. Now the generation will be on point. Simply copy the prompt for each scene and paste it into this box. From this option, select the portrait size and hit the Generate button. Generate the first image a couple of times until you get the best version of the image. Once satisfied with the result, click this modification option and lock the seed. So from now on, all the images will be created using the same character. Download each image and save them according to the scenes to keep the exact sequence. Now copy the prompt for scene 2, paste it again, and hit Generate. Repeat the same process and create all the images and save them in sequence. Now it's time to generate videos using each image. To create videos from images, we need a video prompt for each image. For that, copy this video generation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. At the bottom of the prompt, you can see a line called Paste Script here. Copy the whole script and paste it here. You can also see a line called Paste Prompts here. Copy all the image prompts and paste them here. Now hit Enter. You can see a video prompt for each image/scene. Now open Google Flow, then click New Project. Change this option to Frames to Video. Click this option and make sure the aspect ratio is Portrait, output is 1, and the model selected is VEO 3.1, Fast. Now click this plus icon and upload the first image, Scene 1. Now change the size to Portrait, then click Crop and Save. Then copy the Scene 1 video prompt and paste it into Google Flow and hit Generate. The result is exactly what we wanted. Now upload the image of Scene 2, adjust the size, and crop and save it. Then copy the Scene 2 video prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Then start generating. Repeat the same process and generate all the videos. Now we have all the videos ready for the final edit. Just don't adjust the voiceover and videos like others say. It's shorts, and you have to keep people engaged. And for that, first show small parts of all the best clips people are going to see in the whole video while the voiceover says the title, "How many glasses of alcohol does it take to end you?" Then adjust all the videos with the voiceover and make sure to add background music to match the short's vibe. The safest way to get background music is to go to YouTube Studio. On the left side, you can see an option that says Audio Library. Click that, and now from the search box, search for Suspense. Play and find which one you like. Then hover over the license type, and you can see we can use that audio for any of our videos, and that will be monetized without any issue. Download the track from this option. We are almost done, but YouTube Shorts need captions for better engagement. If you use CapCut, you can simply create captions using that. If you don't, then use this website called Submagic. Before that, export this video, and here we got it. Go to Submagic and log in here, and you can see the first option called Generate Captions. Click that option and upload your video. Simply click Generate Captions, and it'll start generating captions. Then simply change the style and download the video. And finally, you got the result I'm going to show now. But before watching the result, make sure to subscribe if you really think this video is helpful and you learned something new. Let's watch the final result.
How many glasses of alcohol does it take to end you? 1 drink. The burn slides down your throat. Warmth blooms in your chest. Your shoulders loosen. You smile easier. 3 drinks. Your tongue feels lighter. Words spill faster than thoughts. The room hums, friendly and soft. 6 drinks. The warmth turns heavy. Your stomach sloshes when you laugh. Balance takes effort now. You lean into it. 9 drinks. The sweetness is gone. Just raw ethanol scraping your throat. Your vision smears at the edges like wet paint. 12 drinks. Your body is soaked in poison. Your liver floods, enzymes screaming to keep up. Nausea climbs your chest in hot waves. 15 drinks. You gag, but keep swallowing. Your blood thickens with alcohol. Signals misfire. Muscles forget their jobs. 18 drinks. Breathing slows. Each inhale feels optional. The room tilts and never comes back. 21 drinks. Your reflexes shut down. Gag reflex gone. Liquid crawls where air should be. 24 drinks. Your head lolls forward. Saliva pools. Then vomit. Your lungs drink it eagerly. 27 drinks. The bottle slips from numb fingers. Glass rolls clinking softly. Your brain powers down, starved of oxygen. 30 drinks. No warmth now. Just cold. Your chest rises once more, then forgets how.